Now we are ready to sell. We go over to orders, add order, and then we click on this order tab. You just leave all this information here. The system will set it by itself. In this order tab, this is where we select our products. We can add more lines depending on how many goods the customer is buying. I also have search functionality, as I just typed W and H and it gave me this product. I want to sell this product 3 times as wholesale, retail, and unit price. I'll just put a quantity of 111. We'll select wholesale as the sale type, retail as the sale type, and unit price as the sale type. I've left this price field as blank. The system would fill it up by itself depending on the sale type that we have selected. But there are some scenarios where we might want to override a particular price, so we can enter our price manually here. This is useful for giving discounts and sales promotions and all of that. But on a normal workflow or scenario, we just select our sales type and press save and allow the computer to do its work and fill in the price. It has already done that for us. We can print. Go to orders and click print receipt. We can print this receipt. Just click on the print button or download it as PDF if we are working through a mobile device or a phone. Now this same software supports dual screen, so I'll show you right now. This is the customer display unit or the customer display screen. This is meant to be a monitor or a second screen facing the customer. What the customer is seeing is very different from what the operator of the software is seeing. The customer cannot see all the private details of the company. They only just see their receipts and the bills that are due to them. This page updates itself automatically. So in a case where you have 3 points of sale in a company, whenever I enter this page newly, let me show you from a new window. Whenever I enter this page newly, it will ask me for my credentials. I will use the same credentials that I use in logging in my terminal, and once I click enter, it will take me to my own customer display screen. So there is no mix-up. If we have 3 terminals, each of those 3 terminals will have their own separate customer display